Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Cinahl and selecting Advanced Search. You want to act now. Enter your primary keywords in the first row and immediately add one strong synonym in the next. Use the field drop-down to target title or abstract so results stay relevant. Once done, toggle the search type between Boolean and natural language to match your strategy. Make sure to save the query name if you plan to refine it later, because that lets you rerun iterations quickly. Now you construct the logic connecting terms, use or to join synonyms within one row and to combine concepts across rows, put parentheses around or groups so the engine reads them correctly. Include truncation symbols like asterisk to capture variations in use, for single-letter variants. Then apply filters such as year range, age groups, or publication type to narrow noise. Once you see early results, skim titles to adjust terms. Refine iteratively until precision and recall are balanced. Finish by reviewing subject headings suggested by Cinahl and map your keywords to those headings so indexing is captured. Export or save the set you need, picking RIS for citation managers or CSV for spreadsheets. Make sure to include abstracts. If results are too few, broaden by adding synonyms, removing an overly strict filter, or switching or groups to and carefully. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing returns, check spelling, remove phrase quotes, and expand truncation. Often one small operator blocks relevant hits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.